Good afternoon. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 23 issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica today, October 24, 2025 at 1100 hours Eastern Standard Time. The tropical storm warning and the hurricane watch continue for Jamaica, even as reconnaissance aircraft data indicate that tropical storm Melissa could be reforming across the central Caribbean Sea. At 10 a.m., the center of Tropical Storm Melissa was located near latitude 15.7 degrees north, longitude 74.6 degrees west. This is about 405 kilometers southwest of Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and about 260 kilometers southeast of Morant Point, or 345 kilometers southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Tropical Melissa has reformed recently with an estimated motion towards the east-southeast near 4 kilometers per hour. A slow motion turning to the northeast and then north is expected to begin later today and tonight. A westward turn is then forecast to begin on Saturday, with that motion continuing through Monday. On the forecast track, the center of Melissa is expected to move near or just south of Jamaica early next week. Maximum sustained winds remain near 75 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts, and gradual strengthening is forecast for today, followed by rapid intensification this weekend. Melissa is projected to become a hurricane by Saturday and a major hurricane by Sunday. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 220 kilometers from the center. Melissa is expected to be a major rainfall producer over Jamaica. Amounts reaching 200 to 350 millimeters, that is 8 to 14 inches, are forecast for eastern parishes through the weekend, causing widespread flooding and landslides. This would gradually spread westward across the country next week. As the tropical storm moves closer to the island, expect strong gusty winds reaching tropical storm force to initially affect eastern parishes later today and continuing into the weekend across the island. Hurricane force winds are also possible from as early as Saturday. While marine areas will see further deterioration today, small craft operators, including fishers from the Keys and the Banks, are advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Tropical Storm Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on this system will be issued at 2 p.m. today. Note that tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions, including possible sustained wind speeds of 63 to 118 kilometers per hour, are expected to affect Jamaica in 36 hours or less. Hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions, including sustained winds of 119 kilometers per hour or more, pose a possible threat to Jamaica within 48 hours. That was Bulletin 23 issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Have a good afternoon.